5 must-try restaurants in Davao City. Kung isa kang local dito who's looking for some good eats, or isa kang turista who wants to explore the food scene in the city, this video is for you. Let's start with the OG, Taste of Home, just located at Matina Town Square. They have this bahay ng sosyal mo na tita feels. They also serve cocktails here. Price range ng mga pagkain nila is 180 pesos to 550 pesos. Yung sikat talaga nila dito is their grilled spare ribs. Pero sold out lang when we went there. Must try talaga nila dito ang French apple pie with grated cheese and butterscotch. Sa sarap nito, kaya ko tong ipaglaban. Fight me! Next is still in Matina area, located at Coca-Cola Village, Davao City. This is JH Garden. Maganda ang vibes nila dito, romantic, and they also have plenty of choices sa mga cakes nila. Can we all appreciate kung gaano kalaki ang servings nila? And look at that, amazing! Hindi talaga tinipid. Syempre, dapat ganyan din kadami ang order ng rice. If you will ask me kung ano ang the best dito for me, that will be the Tropical Mango Pizzadilla and the Asian Tuna. Hindi masyado masarap tingnan sa video, pero I hope you guys could try para ma-attest nyo talaga na masarap. Now, let's go to the newly opened Mixed Temptation in front ng Davao Airport. Para sa akin, perfect ang location nila kasi napansin nyo, before your flight, gutom ka. At after your flight, gutom ka ulit. So at least mas marami ng food choices near the airport. They serve Chinese food. Ang servings nila is good for 2 to 3 packs. Most of their foods are decently good, pero yung pinaka-favorite ko talaga ang mga dumplings nila and their butchi. It's really good at look at that. Amazing ulit. Iba talaga pag fresh ginawa, no? Like us fresh. Wow! Ngayon balik tayo sa Matina area. Kabalo ko nalipong na mo ako po. Balik na po tag Matina. Isa talaga to sa mga pinakagusto namin ng Only Korean Barbecue sa Davao. Actually, maraming negative feedback sa kanila nung November or December ba yun. Pero nag-renovate agad sila to address the concerns ng customers. Unlimited all-meat USDA beef sila for 499 pesos. Only cheese na at only rice na din. Next, hindi talaga sila restaurant. KTV sila. Pero sa sarap ng pagkain nila, deserve na ipakita sa'yo. I will just have a separate tour para mas makita nyo kung gaano kaganda ang mga videoke rooms nila. As for their food, restaurant levels, from presentation to taste, it's really good. Sa owner ng K1 KTV, sana po magtayo kayo ng dine-in area para sa mga ayaw kumanta pero gusto lang kumain. Yun lang naman, maraming salamat. Thank you so much for watching. Kung meron kang food recommendation, let me know.